Hello, thanks for joining us again. On today's episode, we went ahead and made some garlic Parmesan chicken bites. These are so good, you're gonna have to try them.
Okay, so first we need to go ahead and gather all of our ingredients. For this recipe, we're going to need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of parsley that we'll chop up later, a 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese, in our case, more because we love cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and then our seasoning mixture. This is a teaspoon of granulated garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You're also going to need a large saute pan, a knife, and a big spoon. That's everything we need.
Alright, so the first step, you're gonna want to go ahead and chop the parsley. So let's go ahead and dump this out on the cutting board. Alright, so once you're done chopping, you can go ahead and add it back into the bowl. Alright, so you're going to want to start by trimming the fat off the chicken. So you just trim off any excess fat that's not really needed. Trying to save as much of the meat as you possibly can. Alright, so once you do that, go ahead and move it off to the side. You're going to want to start by slicing this into strips. They don't have to be perfect. They're going to taste good either way. Alright, so then you're going to want to go ahead and rotate it. You're going to want to cut them into about little 1/2 inch squares. 1/2 inch to 3/4 should work just fine. Bite size is basically what you're aiming for. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go ahead and add it to the bowl. Alright, so you're going to want to go ahead and dump the seasonings into the chicken. Make sure you mix it pretty well. Yeah, you just want to get it to where it's all basically mixed pretty thoroughly. You're not gonna want to spill the chicken outside of the bowl though. Try to refrain from doing that. Look who decided to join us and help us.
Alright, next we need to preheat our skillet. We're going to want to turn it to medium-high. Once your skillet's been preheated, you're going to want to go ahead and add your olive oil. Just like that.
Alright, so go ahead and dump in your chicken into the pan. You're going to want to go ahead and cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it's been fully cooked. Alright, we are just about there.
Our little helper came back. Say hi, Phoenix.
Alright, so once the chicken has been fully cooked, you're going to want to go ahead and add the butter into it. You're going to want to let that fully melt while mixing it to kind of fully coat the chicken. Alright, so once it's been fully melted, you're going to want to go ahead and add in the garlic. Okay. You're going to kind of want to stir that around, and then let that cook until it's pretty fragrant.
So about 30 seconds?
About 30 seconds to a minute, yeah. And that'll do. Alright, so once it's been about a minute or so, you're going to want to go ahead and turn off the heat. Then you're going to want to go ahead and add in the Parmesan cheese. And the parsley that you chopped earlier. Okay. So then you're going to want to quickly mix all that up. Get it to where the cheese is all nice and kind of melty and everything. Alright. Yeah, that's looking real good.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. Alright. So once that is fully melted, you're going to want to go ahead and take it off the burner and put it onto the plate. Alright. I'm going to want to go ahead and put it on the plate. You can grab some of those juices, but I want to take all of them. Nothing wrong with a little bit of butter for some added flavor, right?
I do love butter.
Yes. Alright, once you got all the chicken out, go ahead and add you a spoonful of all that nice juicy goodness.
Alright, now it's time for the best part, trying it. So this is really good with like a pasta or a salad, but you can also just have it by itself. We like to have it with wine rolls, because who can resist those, right? You ready?
Yeah, of course I am. This is so good, you definitely have to give it a try.
If there's anything else you want to see us make, please let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is really good.
Really good.
We're gonna go eat, but we'll see you all soon. Extra cheese time.
Because who can resist some extra parm, right?